Hi friends. Before I get into today's topic that I wanted to share with y'all, I'll definitely say, don't take my word as the only thing, that you're going to do, or the only solution, or just doing it. You can try this, but please consult your doctor. Please talk to your family. Depression is not a small thing. So I'll say, don't just go by one single thing and just give it time. Sometimes it can get serious. So please consult your doctor and family after you listen to me, and even without that as well. So coming to today's topic, it's so hard to, I'll say, to point saying that okay, this is what depression is. If you read about it, it has all the symptoms under the sun. Anything can be called depression, you feel. And sometimes when you see some of these symptoms in you, you are also really not sure, am I really depressed? Do I want to call myself that? Should I discuss this with my family? uh, am I really, just hearing things? Because sometimes it's like we read so many things, you start feeling everything as well. So is it that? It's such a serious topic, it's hard for us to pinpoint and also tell that this is what it is. Some of the things that we hear or read about, saying that you don't feel interested in things, you don't feel happy, you don't feel energy, you feel sleepy always, nothing feels engaging, you start suddenly crying even if things are going well for you. If you say somebody that I'm feeling sad today, sometimes there would be situations where they'll say, you have the life that nobody has under the sun. There's thousands of people praying for your life. Like if you think of Michael Jackson, he has everything under the sun, but he was under depression. uh, it's so hard for others to understand, and it's so hard for you, the person who going through, also to understand, I feel, and pinpoint things. uh, After we hear, read all of this, and then there's that self talk that you go through. Should I share now? Is this the right time? Am I just seeing things? Am I just thinking about things? Am I really depressed? Do I really need those drugs that they give you? If you qualify, and then you think you'd share with your family, if I'm going to the doctor, looking at the drugs prescription that they give, we feel like, should I really uh, take all of this? Is it really needed? One tip, or I'll say one something that you can try without any side effect, uh, that can sometimes improve your situation, to help you start thinking a little more. But that's not the only solution. I'll let me tell that clearly, that this is just a tip or a trick that you can try, but this is not the full solution. So try this out, but not this only. Okay, so that is sunlight. uh, it sounds simple. How can just sunlight help? Is it really, you're just joking or not taking me seriously? I'll say, give it a try. Give it few days, give it a month, see if it helps. It doesn't hurt, it's free, right? Giving yourself at least 20 minutes sunlight. The sad part is, if you compare to the other countries like USA or Europe, they don't get good sunlight. India is in a position, or geographically we are in a place that we are blessed with sunlight throughout the year. But unfortunately, due to our lifestyles, due to the lifestyle and the work situations, the way we are right now, India is having the highest level of, not say highest, at least topping the charts in terms of vitamin D deficiency. If you look at the world records, and the surveys that get published, India is also on that list, which is surprising, because we are not a country where we don't have sunlight. We have immense sunlight. It's just that with our lifestyle, we are not giving ourselves enough exposure. Okay, what will sunlight solve? You might be thinking. One, with proper vitamin D levels, your serotonin, which is your happy hormone, increases. And if that is not there, that eventually builds up. There's different scale that they measure vitamin D levels in your body, and as that decreases, you get into this depressive state. So while you might be thinking, I'm in the day, I'm not working night shifts, I'm throughout the day. Probably if it's a night shift work, you might be wondering, then I have to worry about it. But surprisingly, from my own experience, while I thought I had enough of vitamin D and everything, when I went for a checkup, I realized I was very low on vitamin D. Even the doctor was surprised with the levels. Myself was surprised with the levels. That, triggered saying that, okay, what we think enough might not really be enough for our body. You're not giving it enough exposure. Then I started giving little more exposure to myself, and I didn't realize, but I started seeing some more changes, these, emotional happy hormone changes as well, within me. With that experience, I'm able to share this very confidently, saying that, it doesn't hurt. Giving yourself initially, when you feel, you have a little more symptoms, or you feel, you're not getting that level, probably for a month, give yourself 20 minutes per day, but eventually you can reduce it down to 10 minutes per day of exposure. But I think I'm saying but a lot, which just occurred to me. Uh, Definitely, try this out. I'll say it has serious good effects in your life. Having a little more happy hormone is always good, and with females, with the all the hormonal changes that we go through, with all the seasonal changes that we go through, we don't realize, but there's a lot more changes that happen in your body which affects you, motherhood, your regular stuff and everything. So please try 10 minutes of exposure of sunlight, and you all can thank me later. Thank you.